Are you looking to try something new to help you stay cool in the summer heat? Let's make some lemonade, agua fresca, and a sparkling sorbet drink. Meet me in the kitchen.
So for this recipe, we're kind of winging it, but I'm gonna have a written recipe for you guys. So I have 5 freshly washed lemons, and you will need to wash them because we're gonna be using every part of the lemon in the recipe. So first things first, I do want to cut off the ends, and then we're gonna cut off the skin and save that for later.
I'm going to start off by cutting off the nub pieces, as I like to call them. Make sure you're using a sharp knife, as you want to get as much of the peel off as you can without cutting into the lemon itself.
So to officially get started with our lemonade, I did go ahead and save those lemon skins, and we're going to add this into a simmering pot of 4 cups of water, and we're going to let this sit with 1 cup of sugar to make our simple syrup for about 15 minutes. Make sure to set a timer because the longer it goes, the quicker and easier it is for the lemon peels to get bitter. We're also going to do the same with our blueberries and our pomegranate seeds in a separate pan or bowl, whatever, pot, you get it. While we wait for our simple syrups to come to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and continue to slice and dice our lemons and get the fresh juice and set it aside. After juicing my lemons, I have 1 full cup. Let me see if I can focus this. 1 full cup of lemon juice. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. And once we're done with everything, we can go ahead and strain it over ice. Our next and final step is to make our blueberry puree. If I could get the lid open. So all we're gonna do is pour in the rest of our frozen blueberries and add in about 1.5 cups of water into the blender to make our puree, and then we're going to blend it and strain it and get ready to assemble our lemonade. First things first, we're going to add in our lemon juice, and I like to strain this too just for extra pulp, and then of course seeds that ended up making it into our liquid measuring cup. Then we're going to add in our lemon peel simple syrup and strain that too. Next is our blueberry and pomegranate seed simple syrup, which look how pretty it is. We're going to add in our blueberry puree. I wouldn't recommend adding in the pomegranate seeds as that's kind of harder. That's harder to break down and you don't really want to mess up your blender. Lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and add in our combo of juices and puree into a bottle with some purified water. And I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours, but if you have some ice, you can go ahead and serve it as is.
Next is our agua fresca. We're going to add in 2 cups of sliced strawberries, 2 cups of cold water, and about 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla into our blender. Blend for 1 minute, then strain. I did add the leftover 1 cup of water into our puree to mix and set aside. Back into the blender, I add in 1 can of sweet milk and 14 ounces of whole milk, or you can use evaporated milk. Mix them together and refrigerate the mix for at least an hour and serve over ice. You can adjust the sweetness as necessary by using white granulated sugar. Start with taking your frozen fruit of choice. Today we're using pineapple and mango. Remember, exact measurements will be in the description box. Along with your fruit, add in the juice of 1 lime and its zest. Don't forget to add as much honey as you'd like for your desired sweetness. Add a little water to help blend if it's a bit too chunky. Set in your freezer for 20 minutes or until a scoopable consistency. Also, don't forget to chill your glass for at least 10 minutes. You can use wine, or if you want to keep it alcohol free, use a sparkling flavored water that complements the fruit. Add your garnish and you're done. If you like this video, don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and subscribe. If you're also needing some ideas for what you want to bring to the cookout, head over to my cookout sides video that I'll leave linked in the description and in the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!